This reply went out at 6 o'clock this morning, answering a customer who wanted to know where their order was. It named their order number, told them exactly where things stood, and pointed them to a live status page. Warm, correct, signed off like a real person wrote it. I didn't write it. I was asleep. Every store gets this same email over and over. Where's my order? By the end of this video, you'll have built the thing that answers it for you. No code, and it costs about 3 cents a reply. Here's the whole idea in one sentence. We're building an assistant that watches for one specific question. Where's my order? Looks the order up in Shopify and drafts a reply for you to approve. Not a send everything bot. A careful one. It only handles the easy, repetitive question. It pulls real order data so it never guesses, and it hands you a draft. So you stay in control until you trust it. Let me show you the machine on one screen before we build it. 4 boxes, left to right. 1. Catch the email. An inbox trigger fires the moment a "Where's my order" message lands. 2. Find the order. We look the customer up by their email, then pull their most recent order. 3. Write the reply. Claude turns that order data into a warm, human answer. 4. Draft, don't send. It lands as a Gmail draft you approve. That's the entire build. Everything today is wiring those 4 boxes in order. Step 1. Catch the email. And make you start a new scenario. Their word for a workflow. And the first module is a mail hook. Think of it as a private email address that, whenever a message arrives, wakes up the workflow and hands it the sender, the subject, and the body. Make gives you that address. Copy it exactly, character for character, and you forward your "Where's my order" emails to it. One thing that trips everyone up, the hook only starts listening once the scenario is active, so turn it on before you send your test. Get that right, and the rest just flows. Step 2. Find the order. We know who emailed us. Now we ask Shopify who they are and what they bought. 2 modules. First, search customers. We hand it the sender's email address and it finds the matching customer. Use the top-level customer. ID it returns, not the one buried under the address. Or the next step comes back empty. Second, search orders. Flip the little map toggle so you can feed it that customer ID. Sort newest first, limit one, and it hands back their most recent order. Now, be honest with yourself about what you actually get here. The order number, the date, the fulfillment status, and a link to the order's status page. That's it. No carrier, no tracking number. Makes module simply doesn't return 1. That limit shapes the next step. Step 3 is the heart of it. The prompt. We add a Claude module, and what we're really writing are the instructions. Tell Claude who it is, the support voice of your store. Tell it the tone, warm, brief, human, a helpful shop owner, not a robot. Then give it the one job. Greet them by first name, confirm the order number and date, state the status in plain English, and point them to their order status page for live details. Then feed it the real fields we just pulled. And here's the one line that matters most, the rule that keeps this trustworthy. It does not have a tracking number, so tell it plainly. Do not invent tracking numbers, carriers, or delivery dates. Point to the status page instead. An AI will happily make up a tracking number that looks completely real. This single instruction is what stops it. Step 4, and it's the safety net. Draft, don't send. The last module is Gmail. Create a draft. It writes Claude's reply into a draft addressed back to the customer, into your inbox, and it stops there. It does not send. Every morning you skim the drafts, and at first you'll barely change a word. But you're the one who hits send. Once you've watched it get a few dozen right and you trust the voice, you can promote it to auto-send. Earn that switch. Don't start there. Let's watch it actually run. Here's a real "Where's my order" email from a customer named Casey. I send it. The workflow wakes up. It finds Casey in Shopify, pulls the most recent order, hands the data to Claude, and there's the draft. It greets Casey by name, names order number 1005, gives the date it was placed, the current status in plain English, and a link to the live order status page, start to finish, about 4 seconds. I didn't type a word. Now, the honest part, because this is the brand. This works when the email address matches a customer in Shopify. If someone emails from a different address than they ordered with, the search comes up empty. So we told Claude to handle that gracefully and ask them to reply with their order number. And a bigger line, this is for the simple, repetitive, "Where's my order" question only. Refunds, disputes, damaged items, anything emotional or high stakes. Those go to a human. Automating the easy question buys you time for the ones that actually need you. Don't point this at the hard stuff. Let's talk cost, because this surprises people. Each reply runs Claude once on a short prompt, roughly 3 cents. Even 100 of these a week is a couple of dollars. The alternative is paying a person to answer the same question all day, or a support VA at $2,000 a month. Same repetitive answer, handled for pennies while you sleep, and it never gets tired of typing it. Quick recap. 4 boxes: catch the email, find the order, write the reply, draft it for approval. That's a working "Where's my order" assistant. Your one next step? Go count how many of these emails you answered last week. That number is your to-do list, and the reason to build this before the next batch lands. If this saved you an hour, subscribe. Every video builds one more of these. There's a free prompt pack and the Signal newsletter linked below, and if you'd rather have it built for you, that link's down there too. I'm the AnvilHQ team. I'll see you in the next build.